맛있다. So delicious.好吃. Hello everybody. Welcome to 밥시용 cooking channel. Today I will make this potato sausage hot dog. Do you know? It's very simple. And then this baby very much naughty. Do you know? She wants to eat. He wants eating everything. Do you know? Very curious. Our Lily, sit down, please. Sit down. Our Lily, so nice. Lily, yes. Lily, how are you, everybody? Yes, our Lily, so nice. But Lily doesn't like him very much. Nowadays, we are very struggling, do you know? Lily, 예쁘다. 릴리 앉아 있어요. Okay, sit down. Yes. 기다려. Yes. I will introduce ingredients. This sliced cheese and sausage and potato and egg. Do you know? Now I will start to cooking. Sausage. First we put this potato. We put egg. Okay, finish. Yes, beautiful. Nice. Ready?